So in this video I'll explain if you want to maintain source list for a particular plant, if you want to maintain particular plant in source list, how you will maintain, what are the prerequisites. Suppose now I'll open one purchase info record, one source list. So for this material, here I am having one vendor as a source now. As of now, the source of supply for this material is this vendor. If you want to maintain your own plant as a source for this material, there are some prerequisites. So now I'll execute without maintaining any prerequisites, and I will show you what is the error it will give. So I have other plant is 9861. So if I enter now, see what it has shown. The error is material 221 not maintained in plant 9861. So prerequisite for maintaining any plant as a source of supply in source list, the material, this material, whatever the material for which you want to create source list should be there in both the plants. So particularly first main thing is there should be two plants in one company code. So now I will explain this one. See, your company should be having if you consider this one company, there should be two plants under the company. There is plant 1 and plant 2. So company code must be having two plants under this, and whatever the material for which you want to create source list should be there in both the plants. So here also in plant, this material should be there in plant 1 as well as plant 2. So this is the prerequisite to maintain particular plant as a source of supply in source list. So here you can see, if you want to maintain this other plant as your source of supply, what are the conditions I have explained, that should be met. So now I will maintain this material in this plant also. Now what I will do, I will extend this material to this plant also. Now I will go to transaction MM01. So I will enter the material to be extended to other plant. These are the views I want to maintain there. So I want to extend this to this plant 9861. Yes. General data will be copied automatically. There is no change in general data, only purchasing and plant related data will be changed. So I will enter valuation class, price control. See, now I have extended material 222 plant 9861, that is for both the plants I have extended this material. Now I will create source list again. So now you can see the difference. ME01 for material 221. Now I have one vendor as a source of supply. Now what I will do, I will maintain plant as other source of supply. So I will maintain my plant as source of supply. So it will accept now. See, so some of the data I have missed, but not an issue, it will allow you to create the source list. So if I save this one, source list changed will come. See, so this is how you will maintain source list for particular plant. If you want to maintain particular plant as a source of supply, this should be the prerequisite. That is, company must be having 2 plants. So that material for which you want to maintain source list should be there in both the plants.